Joe, the biggest problem we're going to have is being stable.
Yes. Oh, you want me to hold it?
No, I mean, just, you have to exhale slowly. See what I'm doing right now?
Oh, right. When I'm filming, when I'm the cameraman.
Right. It's the way it's going to work is, it's still filming, but then I'll say, you want to say, okay.
Okay, so I'll be a steady hand.
Action.
Okay.
And then, okay, now he's typing.
Okay, so give a lead in. And then say cut when he's done.
Okay, cut. Now, next shot is code on screen. So, I'm going to try to, I have to be as stable as possible, so it's...
Oh, that light's tough.
Yeah, the screen is really bad, like for this.
You want to use my screen instead? That's what I was thinking. Just try this. Try Sublime with this screen here.
Do you want to use my phone? I got a Pixel.
Yeah, we could. The only thing
Try
is,
this guy.
so I don't have this on full brightness. So this is an iPhone 6
How does this
guts.
look on your screen?
Yeah.
So
does that look better? Remember, he can cut.
we have reflection.
That's okay. A little reflection doesn't hurt.
That's all right.
What
Let's
if I
just
turn
let's
down
stay with
the
this
lights a little
one.
bit?
Is this getting any brighter?
Yeah.
Okay, that is better.
There you go.
There we go. That's not bad.
Remember, action and then cut.
Okay, so what am I looking at? Just which part of it?
Sure, you don't want the Pixel.
Well, what it comes down to is when we leave, I'll go back to, I have access to this and uploading.
Yeah.
You would have to get it on YouTube and then share it.
Yeah.
If there's a goober.
Yeah.
Yours is better.
Yeah.
I like that. But I'm just trying to, like, for this project.
Okay.
It's like when you walk out of here, you don't have to worry about it. So. And it's only going to be on there for a few seconds. Okay. I'll say, I'm going to try to brace myself a little bit more. Action. Cut. Okay. Now.
Wait, is this the real film or are you just
Yes,
practicing?
it's been running for 2 minutes. So, more typing on keyboard.
What am I running? What am I typing here?
It doesn't matter. You can pretend to type.
Okay, just move your fingers. Don't actually hit the keys.
Okay. Cut. Now, compile
So
and
now we
run,
have him on our team.
and then error message. So,
I need to, hold on, I need to get rid of this here. Let's see.
oh, sorry. you let me know when.
I don't want to, how do you get rid of the error that's already there?
Oh, hey, Joe, how do we reset?
Oh,
There, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
Okay, so let me,
Can you back up so you can see me hit the run button's right there?
Yeah,
I'll see the
I'm-
error. Okay.
I'm getting, okay, 3, action.
Oh, I didn't have the error yet. I fixed it.
Okay, cut. Let's do it one more time.
Well, I gotta
Can you-
fix
oh, sorry.
I gotta I fixed the program when you were saying type. Okay. Let me get this deleted and then, okay.
Okay, and
I'll have the mouse start here, so I'll scroll over to it. It's like, so he sees me. That's what there's some action.
oh
You
yeah,
couldn't even
that's
tell that I
cool.
pressed the button.
That's really cool. Let me get. So the camera is on that side. That's why it's being so weird. Okay, let me focus. Okay, action. Cut. All right, and error close up. Tap on shoulder. So now.
This is where you gotta switch, or you're
Right,
switching with
so-
Joe?
So Joe,
Yeah. Okay.
and if you can stay with us the whole rest of
Yes,
this way,
we will.
'cause
Yes.
we're 4 minutes and 20 seconds into recording so far, which no big deal. I'll just. All right, so
All right, this is the scene where we go back and forth, right?
so
where
tap on shoulder,
Oh, we're going to tap on shoulder.
but then it's like tap on shoulder.
Okay, great.
This thing we haven't figured out. Like
All right, I'll bring
pan,
it.
pan over to a 2-shot.
So you're gonna show me going like this, right? I'm gonna be like,
All right.
and then I'm
Right.
gonna go to you.
Okay, why don't I'll sit
Do a
down.
rough cut right now.
Yeah, you're sit.
Do a rough cut with an empty thing. Show me what you would do, and
Okay,
then I'll do it.
so it's
So
going to be on
pretend
his
someone's
face.
there. Okay.
It's on his face.
We'll film it. Can we just throw it out?
I am filming.
Oh, you are.
So
Oh,
okay,
you're gonna
that's what I'm
cut
saying.
out
I need
later.
your
Okay.
attention the rest
Yes,
of this
I am.
because
Okay, go.
well, so we can.
Yeah, I didn't
go-
realize you were filming.
No, because we already started. So it's going to be him doing that with his face. then I'll tap him on that shoulder, standing there, and then I'll sit down in the chair, and then you just move so that you have both of us in there.
Okay, great.
And the next shot, and don't turn it off.
I'm not gonna turn
Finger tracing line of code. The next shot is going to be over here, and finger tracing line of code.
Okay.
And this may or may not work. We might have to have you.
Well, let's just do it.
Well, I'm just saying because it goes back and
We're
forth.
running out of time.
Well,
I'll do it. I'll be the actor.
we can just do
Fine.
one shot
I'll do the
before we have the
actor.
next shot.
yes.
Okay, I'll just do the actor.
Here.
Let's just make it simple. You're the
Okay.
director.
Let's do that. I think it'll be better because.
Felix will be excited to have us in the video together. So.
Okay,
Right.
if you could stand right here, and I'm
Oh,
gonna,
right. I'm gonna come around.
right, and
I'm
you
gonna sit
you be
next to
out of the shot like right here, and then I'm gonna get consternation, and then you'll kind of come in and tap him on the shoulder. Okay. Okay,
Coding, he's
and
thinking.
action. Okay, now, cut. That was good. Now, what we're doing is finger tracing line of code. So you were pointing. Now we're going to cut in. You point again.
Okay. I'm
And
gonna start up here.
okay,
The arrow is on J.
I know.
All right,
it's
8.
good. Which line is it on?
okay,
8?
right there. And now tap on that line. Cut. Okay, great. All right.
I'm the finger model.
Yeah.
Tap on line.
Hey, your big
I
hands.
don't know. You have bigger hands than I do.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
you're,
right, here
you're
we
more
go. All right, you're
volume.
on.
Okay. So now what we have is, how about this? Is the text that's going to go on screen after you tap?
Louder?
No. So we already have that.
Right.
Now it's a matter of we have some more typing. So,
So just
a
show
shot
the
of
fingers.
a shot of
Fingers
typing.
going away.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me get back. I have to actually do it.
Okay. Got that. And shot of screen. And this is where we're going to put some jump cuts in to show that. And this is what we were talking about. So what I'm going to do is you're there being present, but I'll cut to you. We'll cut to you looking at the ceiling. We'll go back and forth, screen you, like 4 times of each. And then I'll stitch all that together. So let's do shot of code. Can you type anything in here right now? Is it possible?
Like while you're looking at it, let me get rid of a line so that I'm.
And this is all great too. Okay. And now type some more. Okay. Now just keep typing. Okay. Now I'll do more of the screen. Actually, I'm going to do a close up. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's fine. I'll fake it. Okay, now I'm going to do more typing. And now more. And Joe,
Yes.
would you point at the screen again? Okay, good. And
Do you want a picture, a shot of him pointing at the screen, like?
yeah. So point at it again.
From
So for
far
both
away?
of us.
Yeah.
So we're both.
Yeah. Okay. And I'm trying to think like chronologically.
Oh, it doesn't have to.
Yeah. 'Cause I think that works pretty well. Okay, now we jump to the final piece, which is the success. So do you want to run it again? And
Yeah, I
have
want to run it and show it running.
Okay.
So let me get rid of this here.
Okay, you let me know when you... Oh, you ready?
So it's going to be up. I would, where is it going to run? Let me see. So I'm going to hit run, and it's not going to have an error. I'm not going to click on this.
Okay.
So yeah, go ahead. It's going to be this big.
Okay. Let me...
I think I actually haven't run it yet.
All right, go for it.
Oh, yes.
the
Now-
closing picture, the we win.
Well, I'm going to put that on text on screen.
Oh, you should put on.
It'll be easier to just do it that way. So now we want like a high
What
five.
about for our demo?
What's that?
Are we going to show this to people right today? Do we want it just for the demo?
No, tomorrow is the film. We'll show the films tomorrow in class.
Oh, okay.
So,
Fist bump.
yeah, let's do a couple different
Let's
celebrations.
just something
Dabs.
non-gender.
Let's do dabs.
Okay,
Gender?
so,
Well, I don't even know dabs. What are dabs? All right.
okay. Now,
Did you get that?
now do a fist bump, yeah. Okay, and now do like a high five. Do that one again. Let me get a different angle.
Well,
Okay.
but let's go from looking at it to surprise and then high five.
Okay.
So I'll go there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. Okay.